Globalization in terms of a supply chain can be defined as the distribution of goods and services through a transnational network of companies.
Three global supply chain trends are converging to create an increasingly complex business environment, namely, a move towards green initiatives, the utilization of lean processes, and globalization.
Essentially, there are 6 main areas of concentration when managing a global supply chain. Management of the logistics through global relationships and functions, monitoring competitor activities and benchmarking supply chains, understanding your customers' needs, planning and coordinating your supply chain, managing supply, and managing day-to-day operations. And none of these activities can be done without good technology and software applications.
Operating in a global economy and trading across borders has brought about changes from the way businesses operated not so long ago. Businesses choose to have a global supply chain for a number of reasons, such as cost saving, exposure to new technologies and expertise, larger reseller markets, better components and materials, etc.
There are various global business models which exist and have been adopted by business, such as offshoring, outsourcing, and reshoring.
With globalization, some key aspects that must be in place are solid contractual agreements as well as having meaningful and accurate data. And in order to make global trade easier, certain regions have entered into agreements which allow them to trade freely without the normal cross-border trade restrictions. This is referred to as free trade. Another concept is that of fair trade, which was designed to help producers in developing countries achieve better trading conditions.
Managing a supply chain in different countries means that you need to adhere to the legislation of that country as well as be aware of the possible risks.
International standards have made the trade of goods and services more efficient. These include containerization, barcodes, ISO, Incoterms.
No longer are global businesses measured only by the quality of the products, but also measured on their supply chain too. These businesses therefore need to create a sustainable advantage through continuous innovation and smart partnerships.
And the best global companies can adapt their supply networks when markets or strategies change.
The use of technology in the supply chain is what sets one supply chain apart from another. The fourth industrial revolution is upon us and will change many of the things that form part of our normal lives and the supply chain.
Other factors which distinguish one global supply chain from another is their response to environmental issues. This means focus on the circular economy, which aims to gradually decouple economic activity from the consumption of non-renewable resources and to design waste out of the system.
The circular economy is based on 3 principles. 1. Design out waste and pollution. 2. Keep products and materials in use. And 3. Regenerate natural systems.
Globalization has many benefits for businesses, but managing a global supply chain requires a very different approach.